Hi everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Creations 1. Today we are going to be making a pair of crocheted earrings. And we're going to start that in just a moment. Hi everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Creations 1. Today we are going to be making a pair of crocheted earrings. You're going to need a 2mm crochet hook, pair of scissors, some pliers, jump ring, ear wire, and some crochet cotton thread. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to start by crossing our thread, and we are going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then we're going to go into that first chain that we did, and we are going to do a slip stitch. We're going to chain up 3, and that 3 is going to count as a double crochet. Okay, now catching our tail, we are going to do 2 more double crochet. That chain 3 counted as 1. So 1, and all this is going to that central hole that we made by making the loop. Now we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to do another. Oops, got fuzz on my thread. Okay, now we're going to do another 3 double crochets. 1, and I'm still catching that tail. 2, 3. Now we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And now we're doing 3 more double crochets, still in that center. 1, 2, and 3. And we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to put 3 more. We're going to have to shimmy over our stitches a bit. Okay, so 1, and I'm still catching that tail. 2, 3, and then we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to join it in a chain 3, that third chain up top. Okay, we're going to join it right there. Come on now, there we go. Now, this is what we've got so far. Okay, now we're going to slip stitch in the next stitch, slip, and slip stitch in the next stitch, slip, and we're going to slip stitch right to that corner. We're going to chain up 3, 1, 2, 3, and that counts as a double crochet. We're going to do 2 more double crochet. 1, 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to do 3 more double crochets in that same space. Oops. So 3 more double crochets in the same space. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we're going to chain 1. We're going to reach to that next space and we're going to do 3 double crochets. 1, all in that space. 2, 3. We're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then we're going to do 3 double crochets in this corner. 1, 2, and 3. We're going to chain 1 and reach to that next space, and we're doing the same thing. 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to do 3 more double crochets in here. 1, 2, and 3. And then we're going to chain 1. We're going to go 1, 2, 3 double crochets in this space. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 more in that same corner. 1, 2, oops, 2, 3. Then we're going to chain 1 and we're going to slip stitch into that third chain here. Come on. There we go. Okay. Slip stitching. And then we're going to slip stitch in the next 2 stitches. And the next stitch. And we're going to get to this corner, slip stitch into the space. Chain up 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 double crochets in that space. 1, 2. We're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 more double crochets in this space. 1, 2, and 3. Whoops. 3. Make your loop big. Cut your yarn. Whoops. Get scissors that work. Put your tail through your loop. Okay. This is what we got. And now hide your threads and give it an iron and meet me back. Okay, so I hid my threads and I gave it an iron. Now you are going to take your jump ring and always open them sideways. Okay. You are going to put this through that top space. And then making sure it lines up properly. You want your wire to, when it's placed, it'll face front. Okay, and then close that ear wire. And there you go, guys. You have another adorable earring. Yeah. And if you want to use a little bit of spray starch, you can do that too. And there you go. Isn't that adorable? Yeah. Oops, I got a thread. Okay. And it's not very big. Like really, it's not very big. If you've made it, you know. But it's not a very big earring, so like for me, I like to wear smaller earrings because I have a short neck. And if they're too long and dangly, then they sit on my shoulder. So this one's perfect. So thanks so much for watching. Hit the like and subscribe, and tune in on Thursdays. I try and have a new video every Thursday. Have a good day. Bye now.